have to go with the classic tonight.
We have all that going on today. You're ready for your treat. You've been so good. Because I want to use what I have. There's still a lot of room in there. Tomorrow is James's family Christmas. Fun times. Then we have a whole big mess over. Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas day 20. Pretty sure it's day 20. Anyway, today is Christmas baking day. We are baking all the Christmas goodies because tomorrow is James's family Christmas, so we are gonna go celebrate with them, and I like to make everybody like a little Christmas goodie treat sort of thing. So that's what's happening today, and I've been working on getting the kitchen somewhat clean. I've pulled things out of the pantry that I know I'm gonna need, such as like cocoa, peanut butter, flour, sugar, all those things that I'm not using anymore, but I have on hand. Gonna be going to the grocery store here soon. I gotta sit down and make a list, figure out what all I need, which is why I've pulled stuff out so I can like see it. That way I don't get more of it because I wanna use what I have. So we have all that going on today. I also put some dinner in the crock pot. We've got some beef stew going. So yeah, it is currently almost 12, and we got home from the movie last night at like 2, so we slept in. I'm still pretty tired though because, I mean, that was just way too late. But the movie was really good. I don't want to say anything about it because I don't want to give spoilers in case any of you are interested in seeing the new Spider-Man movie, but it was really good, and it really, I liked it. It's probably the best, no, not probably, it is the best one out of the newer 3 movies. But like I said, I don't want to give too much away, and if you know me and I say that I liked it, you probably would know why I liked it, so I don't want to like go into that. But anyway, yeah, so we saw that, and like I said, today is just Christmas baking, so I'm going to be doing a lot of baking today, and yeah, there's just a lot to get done today. So let's get to it. Okay guys, we are back from the grocery store. We got so much stuff going on here. Dixie thinks it's Advent time because I turned on my camera. But anyway, I'm gonna quickly go over this. I'm gonna start putting stuff away and figuring out my plan of attack on all of my baking. So here we go. We got some parchment paper, some marshmallows for Rice Krispie treats, some eggs. We've got some pretzels for chocolate dipped pretzels, margarine, butter, 2 cans of these biscuits because I'm making a biscuit and gravy casserole for tomorrow's family Christmas. We've got some condensed milk because I'm making some fudge, some oats for some no-bake cookies. We've got some Hershey's Kisses, some M&Ms because I'm going to do those on like these pretzels, but also because we need the Hershey's Kisses for the peanut butter cookies that I'm making. 2 things of pork sausage, again, for the biscuits and gravy. Some semi-sweet chocolate chips, some peanut butter because making the chocolate peanut butter fudge. And we've got some vanilla. We've got some sprinkles for our Rice Krispie treats and for our chocolate covered pretzels. So we've got some chocolate and we've got some vanilla here. There is a shortage of Rice Krispie treats. No joke, we went to 3 different stores and all of them were out. And then we Googled it, and there's actually a shortage of Rice Krispie treats. So I was like, well, I wish I would have known that before I bought this stuff to do this. So we actually found this, which is brown Rice Crisps. So hopefully they are fine, but that was like literally the only thing we could find. So went ahead and picked it up, and I hope it works out. Then we got some milk because we need some for the biscuits and gravy casserole, and also one of the cookies that I'm making calls for it. I don't remember which one. So now I'm going to put all that away and figure out my plan of attack for all of this baking. I think it would be best to do the peanut butter cookies first, then the no bake, then the Rice Krispie treats, because the fudge and the pretzels are pretty easy. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, update on baking since I'm struggling to film and bake, but we've got our peanut butter cookies done. I've also got a batch over there on the table. We're working on our no-bake cookies, and then from there, I think I'm gonna transition to the Rice Krispie treats, and then the fudge, and then the pretzels will be the last thing because they're like super easy. So that's what's going on. I'm just waiting for this to boil. Don't mind my, whatever. I've got some stuff measured out. I'm gonna have to do another one of these. I didn't have, my cup was being used and I need 3 cups. So I had to do a 1.5 cups. So I'll do this one and then the next one for 3 cups of oats. So anyway, then I have to let this boil for like a minute before I add all that stuff. So fun times. Letting it do its thing. It's just now starting, so I'm gonna actually set the timer. But yeah, I'm happy that I got the peanut butter cookies out of the way. I think I'm happy with the amount. I think everybody gets like 5 in their container, so I feel like that's a good amount that will cover everybody in the family and then some. So that, I mean, like each individual family, that'll cover everything. So anyway, so I'm going to do the no bakes. I have the parchment paper laid out over there because I'm going to put them on that. So yeah, I'm going to have to clear off the table because it's about to get crazy up in here. We have some dishes. It's a good time. I've got my iPad. I've been watching some YouTube and just doing my thing. So that is the update. Okay guys, an update because my camera battery died and I had to charge it. We've got some pretzels with Kisses and M&Ms. And then we have a whole big mess over here. I've actually already packed up some of this, which is why the Rice Krispies are missing some. We have Rice Krispie treats here. We have no-bake cookies, peanut butter cookies with Hershey Kisses on them, vanilla-covered pretzels, and chocolate-covered pretzels. And yes, this is vanilla candy coating or whatever. It's not like white chocolate. So we have that going on. In here we have some fudge, and I'm getting ready to make more fudge. And we are putting them in this container. And I have some parchment paper in the bottom. Don't worry, I washed these, so don't, I washed them. And then I put some parchment paper in the bottom, and then I've put all the peanut butter cookies, all the Rice Krispie treats, and all the no-bakes for this one. So now I just have to fill it with like the pretzels and the fudge. But I wanted to see like how this was gonna fit, and there's still a lot of room in there. But honestly, I'm tired at this point. So other than making another batch of fudge, I'm done. I'm calling it quits. I feel like they definitely will be getting quite a few things, so it's all good. We have some clean dishes, we have some dirty dishes, we have a mess. Next thing I'm gonna show you guys is what we got everybody for Christmas, because James is gonna wrap this in the morning and I'm gonna be making the biscuits and gravy casserole, so I won't really be able to show you guys. So I will let James do the what we got for Christmas haul. Take it away, James.
So this is for my dad. we got him this these multi-tool pens and a compass. And then this is from my brother. It's like a flashlight, and I also got him a PlayStation gift card. This is for our oldest niece.
Our only niece.
Oh yeah, I guess she's our only niece. And this is for her brother.
Okay, but backstory, she really loves Batman. Like in Lego Batman especially, and she loves like the Joker and Harley Quinn, and so that's why we were like, yeah.
Yeah, she's gonna really like
and
that.
Then
and then this is for her brother.
Her brother, or nephew,
He's super into space.
Loves space and rockets, and they just started getting into Lego, so we were like, this is perfect. For one of our other nephews, as I drop it.
He's super into cars.
He's super into cars, so we got him this Hot Wheels thing. And then for our newest nephew, we got this little baby toy because he's a baby, so.
He's like 6 months now? 6-ish? Something like
yeah, around there, like 5-6 months. So this, I think, will be perfect for him. But anyway, it's very cute. Got 2 candles for his mom.
It's a vanilla and an apple cinnamon.
Yeah.
And then we got this lantern from my dad.
Yeah. So the reason why we got his dad and his brother something is we like draw names. So that's like who we got in the name drawing. And then we get his mom and dad stuff because, I mean, that's what you do, right?
Right.
So anyway, that's everything that we got for everyone on James's side of the family for Christmas. And I have my family stuff that's supposed to be coming, I think, tomorrow. And I'm going to be doing something with it, but I can't talk about it yet because this vlog, I think, is going to go up on Monday, maybe. And we will not have had Christmas with my family, and I know sometimes they watch my videos, so I don't want to spoil their Christmas, but I felt like I could show this because you guys won't see this until after the people who are going to receive these gifts get them. And so I wanted to make sure that like nobody gets spoiled for Christmas here, but like spoiled as in like knowing what their gift is, not that we can't like spoil them, if that makes sense. But yeah, so anyway, that is what everybody's getting for Christmas, plus all the stuff that I was baking. We're giving it to like each family. So like, you know, one will go to each of like James's siblings and their family, and then one for his parents, one for his grandparents, one to his like aunt. Yeah, so because that's everybody that's going to be here, obviously. Hey guys, it's Editing Rachel, and I realized there's no question of the day for this vlog. So the question of the day is, what are your plans for Christmas? Let me know in the comments below. For Christmas, we are going to Tennessee to visit my family. We're going to do our family Christmas on the 24th, and then on Christmas Day, we're actually driving down to Disney World, which I'm really, really excited about. So those are our plans for Christmas. We just this past weekend celebrated Christmas with James's family because we knew we were going to be out of town for actual Christmas, but I'm really excited about our Christmas plans this year, and I think it's just going to be a great time. So let me know in the comments below what you're doing for Christmas this year. If you have any plans, let me know. And yeah, let's get back to the vlog.
I have to go with the classic tonight.
All right.
Advent time, Advent time, Advent time. Advent time, Advent time, Advent time.
Hey! Advent time, Advent time, Advent time. Advent time, Advent time, Advent time. Hey! I know. You're ready for your treat. You've been so good. Okay. Let's go.
17.
It's a green one. There you go.
And she's off.
17.
Ooh, furtado.
Furtado. Decaffeinated.
Decaffeinato.
orange dreamsicle.
Dreamsicle! Who do you think the office is gonna be? We did finally get Kevin and Prison Mike. Could be anyone.
I'm gonna say Creed. I really, really want it to be Creed.
I think it's gonna be Ryan.
It's either gonna be Creed, Kelly, or Ryan. But I'm thinking it's gonna be Creed. I want it to be Creed.
Mose.
I wasn't expecting that. That's really...
from the episode where he takes Ryan to the barn.
Oh, that's really funny, but I was not expecting that.
I was like, Fear. I was like, who wore a shirt that said Fear? And I was like, oh, Mose did it. Like, it's like really early in the show.
Okay, well, we were all completely wrong.
Mose.
I'm like...
not expecting a Mose.
I'm like really shocked because Creed, Kelly, and Ryan, I think, are the only original cast members or characters.
They're like the main cast, yeah.
That,
well, Roy, but I mean, he wasn't on the whole show.
Yeah.
But I mean, neither were Kelly and Ryan, technically.
No, but they were like in the office.
No, but I mean, they weren't there for like the whole. But anyway,
no, I know.
But Mose, that's really funny.
That's really interesting. I'm just like, who is gonna? Surely there's a Kelly and Ryan and Creed somewhere in like the next week, right? You would think.
I mean, I think they were at least as liked as Mose, right?
I mean, I don't know. We're gonna wrap up Vlogmas Day 20. It was a busy day.
Day Cookorama.
I baked a ton of stuff.
Oh, Bakerama.
Bakerama. And I'm very tired, and we have to get up early tomorrow because I need to do the biscuits and gravy casserole, which I'll share with you guys, and he has to wrap presents, and then we have to be there at like 10 o'clock, so it's gonna be a crazy day. So we're gonna wrap up this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me, and don't forget to subscribe down below, and we will see you guys tomorrow for Family Christmas!
Christmas!
Bye, guys.